Loves, and welcome back to my channel. I trust you're all doing good. Today I am back with another Beatles reaction. We are going to be doing a 2-in-1 reaction video, and we'll be listening to 8 Days a Week and Blackbird. Guys, I trust this is going to be an interesting one, and I can't wait to check this out with you all. So guys, let's dive right into it.
Guess you know it's true. Hope you need my love, babe, just like I need you. Hold me, love me, hold me, love me. I ain't got nothing but love, babe, 8 days a week. Love you every day, girl, always on my mind. One thing I can say, girl, love you all the time. Hold me, love me, hold me, love me. I ain't got nothing but love, girl, 8 days a week, 8 days a week. I love you. Is not enough to show I care. Ooh, I need your love, babe. Yes, you know it's true. Hope you need my love, babe, just like I need you. Oh, hold me, love me, hold me, love me. I ain't got nothing but love, babe, 8 days a week, 8 days a week. I love you. 8 days a week is not enough to show I care. Love you every day, girl, always on my mind. One thing I can say, girl, love you all the time. Hold me, love me, hold me, love me. I ain't got nothing but love, babe, 8 days a week, 8 days a week, 8 days a week.
Guys, this was a beautiful one. I want such love, 8 days a week, man. I really want that. Yeah, I ain't got nothing but love. Guys, I really enjoyed this one. 8 days a week. Like the Beatles, they are lyrically amazing. They are great storytellers. Their voices, man, they're always making the crowd go crazy. Guys, love them so much. It's always a beautiful one with them. So now guys, let's check out Blackbird. I wonder what they have for us there. Okay.
Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to arise. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly, into the light of a dark black night. light of a dark black night. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to arise. You were only waiting for this moment to arise. You were only waiting for this moment to arise.
Oh, Blackbird. I really don't know what to make of this, but then it's always a beautiful moment with the Beatles, and yes, it's about enjoying the song. I really don't like to bother myself too much about the meaning of a song. I just allow myself enjoy the song most times. Yes, so this one, I'll just so guys, I'll just pass on this one. It's always a beautiful one with them. So guys, I trust you all enjoyed listening to them as well. I've got to go now. If this is your first time on this channel, you're especially welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch and support my videos. Guys, I really appreciate you all. To become a part of this beautiful family, consider hitting the subscribe button below. Also turn on the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so you can always get notified each time I post a new video. And don't forget to give my videos thumbs up if you enjoy watching them. Guys, drop me suggestions, recommendations, like anything and everything that can make this channel better for us all. I can make it entertaining for us all, that can make it worth the moment for us all. Guys, I would really appreciate that, and thank you so much for your support so far. I see all the love and I love you too, guys. I've got school now. I'll see you all on the next one. Till then, keep staying safe, and remember, I love you all. Bye, guys.